Capturing momentum in the marketplace is very important when trading, and there are a number of indicators that will allow you to capture momentum in the marketplace before it happens. First of all, we have what we call the awesome oscillator. Awesome as in you're awesome. Awesome oscillator is an indicator used to measure market momentum. It basically calculates the difference between a 5 and a 34 simple moving average. But it uses the midpoint of the candles and not the close position of the candles, so it gives more of an average. Let me show you what an awesome indicator looks like. AWE for awesome. There are no settings on this. They're simply green for up and red for down. And basically we see here when price is falling, it's below the zero, and when price is increasing, it's above zero. So what we can do when we use the awesome indicator is use buying signals from when the oscillator moves from below zero to above zero, or we can make sure we're in the right way of the trend when it's above zero, i.e. buying, and vice versa. Now the other indicator I want to show you at this point is called the accelerator. And the accelerator, let me just delete the awesome indicator. The accelerator is this one here. Again, it has no settings, and it's a very similar histogram type indicator. The accelerator reveals the driving force behind movements in the market. It helps identify changes in direction, and what it basically does is it measures the movement and in the direction of the trend by plotting when this is moving down matches when price is moving down, and so on. And again, you can use this particular indicator when the indicator is above zero, price is usually moving up, and when the indicator is below zero, the price is usually moving down. Let me show you what it looks like on Tekton. Let's show you what the awesome indicators look like. So the awesome indicator and the acceleration indicator are here. Okay, it's already set for you at 534. You don't need to change that. Okay, and when this crosses above zero, the action can be to buy. And that's how it works. We can also set up a buy for the awesome as well. So if indicator awesome crosses above zero, again, we want to buy. And that in essence is how we use the acceleration indicator and the awesome indicator. We can use them in conjunction with other strategies and other indicators, and if you look on our Tekton forum, you'll be able to see some of our awesome strategies and acceleration strategies in full swing.